Welcome to the software called Moonbot. So right now I want to introduce you to the software, and I'm sorry, I know this is a bit wide because I do have a 49-inch screen, so bear with me. And I'm sorry if it's uncomfortable, but I wanted to show you what I'm looking at as a trader. So I have four different bots. Each one of these bots is a different exchange. So here I have on the left Bybit Spot. I have Gate Spot, I have Bybit Futures, and I have Huobi Spot. I also have a second 49-inch screen with some other stuff like Binance and Gate Futures and whatnot, but those are less important. This is the most important stuff right here. Um, as you can tell, what you're looking at is a tick chart. On this tick chart, you are looking at every single trade that happens in the market. So the green cross is a market buy and the red cross is a market sell. What we are doing as a scalpers here, this software is built in order to execute the trade the fastest. I don't know if you can see, but for example, my latency is only 200 milliseconds to place an order or to close an order. So, for example, look at this coin right here. We are, for example, looking at a 100% pump, right? In this case, I was actually not next to not next to the computer, but we had a level with somewhat of um, a number that ends with a zero that had multiple touches before I had it marked. So one of the trades, for example, if I was next to my computer, that I would take is a acceleration off of this level. Oopsie. Which was about 50% move. So the beauty of this software is that it notifies you when something is moving. So it notifies you something with large deltas, and it allows you to see kind of behind the scenes in the market of what's going on and where are the areas of high probability of rebound, right? So for example, right here, this just happened. Um, you see some really violent moves down. And if I were to enter right at the bottom of these moves to take these kind of rebounds, I would be just, in order to do that for me, all it takes is just double click into the green area of the order book, and that sets a limit by order, right? The same thing if I were to short something, I hold a control key and double click into the red area of the order book. So the speed of execution, and then see, like, for example, like right here, for example, if I were to place a trade, like, first of all, I see exactly where certain things are doing, right? So I can place a trade there, and I can take like whatever rebound that I want to take, like of whatever number of percent, like right there. Like, see, this was a 4% move. Like, for example, if you're doing that with $1,000, it's a $40 trade. This is actually not the trade that I would take on a normal day, but this was the reason why it worked is because we had different couple touches in this area. So yeah, a small move up is possible. But if I were to trade this coin, what I'll be looking at right now, for example, is some of these large corrections, ideally to the levels here. Anyway, this is actually I'm gonna hold it for the actual course, but right here I just wanted to show you, okay, why this is fast. Like, this trade, for example, is impossible. It's impossible to execute through really any other software in the world. It just does not exist, right? It's not possible through Exchange UI. It's just not possible. Which is the edge that I was talking to you about before. So yeah, I think I am done with introducing the software. Really, what we're gonna be doing in this course is just teaching you how to catch moves like this, with and hopefully getting your portfolio to be an order size to be multiple thousands of dollars, where you can sustainably make about $1,000 a day, which isn't too hard in this market, especially. We are The hardest part is going to be trading the futures, which because it does have leverage, and the futures, the coins that are traded in futures move in a completely different way from anything else, which is what will also teach you to how to recognize what moves the coins. Like if the algos are moving the coins, how are they moving it? What are those algorithms and that other stuff? Because what we get to see is that we get to see the view behind the scenes. And the last part is that you can also see the volume. So these, like for example, right here, whatever uh, like this plots a volume of every single trade that happens. So you can see different interactions of a coin with a sell walls or with the buy walls. Like for example, we can quickly see that this is about 250 below the wall and 400 above the wall. So you can quickly know, okay, this is a $150,000 sell order that someone has. Do I have enough power to eat through that wall and continue going? So be able to make those decisions in split seconds are going to be crucial. Um, what else I would want to say? Yeah, and yeah, this is really it. Please join the Discord channel where you're gonna be able to see um, how people trade and how people. I'm gonna have a few successful traders in the Discord as well, kind of helping you in the journey, helping you to find yourself as a trader. So yeah, I will see you on the other side. Thank you very much for watching.